Have you been asking yourself, what will I do to increase my hair length? Come close, let's make this DIY leave-in conditioner together. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, you are welcome, and please hit the subscribe button, like this video, share it to family and friends and to any WhatsApp group that you find yourself in. Okay, let's make this hair mask together. Okay, the first thing I did is to bring out the aloe vera gel that I have already scooped out from the leaf that I stored in the fridge for about 2 weeks. Yeah, blend it. After blending it, then I use my cheesecloth to separate it from the residue. So here, this water that you are seeing that is yellow in color is fenugreek seed water that I have infused overnight. So I infuse it using boiled water to do that. So I set it aside, measure out my oils and emulsifier that I will be needing for melting. This cream will serve me as normal hair cream and also hair butter. That is the reason why I will be adding a lot of shea butter and cocoa butter in it. So that is it. You know, the goal is to regrow my hair back. I am doing everything within my disposal to see if I can regrow my hair back, because like I always say in my recent videos that I lost a lot of hair. So this is my fenugreek and aloe vera water. I have heated it up and also used cheesecloth to strain it out to see if there is any form of if there is any residues in it, but I did it off camera. So I have mixed the emulsifier that I have melted with the butter and the water together. So here I am mixing it together for it to form a cream. So what I just added to the cream is glycerin. I added some glycerin to it and mix it together. Then after mixing it, I will set it aside, close it, put it in the fridge because I was so busy. So I just need to get this done as soon as possible. So I added a little bit of guar to it so that it will thicken a little bit, but I forgot to film when I was doing that. I thought that I clicked on the camera to start recording, but I found out that I did not. So when I found out is when I am almost done with it. So that is it. But I add about 2 grams of guar with it. I mix it with glycerin and add it to it. So that is it, so that it will thicken a little bit. So I am sorry about that. After that, I add my preservative and my fragrance to spice it up, you know. So for it to have a better smell because of the strong odor of shea butter and cocoa butter. So I don't want that. I don't want to be smelling cocoa butter and or shea butter while walking around. So this is the cream. I am done with it. So right here I will start applying it on my dry hair. The liquid that I'm spraying on my hair is my hairspray that I made. I have uploaded this video, but it's in short. I uploaded it in short form. So if you are interested in it, you can check my short video out and see. It's interesting and it's also very good. It helps in hair growth. You can see how thick and firm the cream looks. I love how it turned out to be. So that is it. I'll allow you guys to watch the rest of the video, but if you have watched up to this moment, thank you so much for watching. And please, if you haven't subscribed, do so now before you click out from the video. Subscribe and do not forget to turn on your post notification bell to always get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching and God bless. Bye for now.